Okay, what you guys doing?
We're gonna put the fat baby in the car.
Fat baby, how old is he? How old is he?
9 months old.
Oh my god, 7 months. Oh, look at 7 months old baby.
Yeah, let's roll on this.
Okay. Okay, put him in. Put him in.
Okay. We're gonna put him inside. Ow.
Okay. Safety. How you gonna put seatbelt on? Put seatbelt on.
Fold the towel in half. Wrap it around his belly. Put it through the hole. And then tie it.
That's how you seatbelt. Seatbelt him.
And now we go driving.
Oh. Oh. Buckle up. Ding ding.
Oh
Okay, that's it. That's how you put baby in the car with seatbelt. How about that baby?
I forgot what this car is called.
How about this baby?
That baby just finished climbing the stairs. I forgot what this car is called.
Oh, Audi.
R8 Spider.
Uh,
Wowee Rich. Smile.
Bye. Smile, peace.
So chubby.
Oi, how about this lady? What is she doing?
Cinderella.
Cinderella.
House.
Oh, Cinderella.
And Ariel. And Ariel. Where's her tail? And how do you still and Ariel?
Bye, baby.
Speak? I got
Bye, baby.
Smile. Hello.
Bah, 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 bah. Wow, 7 months baby, huh?
7 months.
His
and
size,
so fat.
his size bigger than 2 years old girl here. That's 2 years old.
And this is 24 months.
I know, 24-month shirt.
Yeah.
He's on 24-month shirt with 7 months baby boy. Look at it.
And baby.
Daddy.
Henry, smile for the camera. You're gonna be famous.
How makes him smile? Okay, smile. How you guys make him smile? Oh, again, he's talking.